Hello guys, if you're having issue with your sexual life and you want some improvement, please, this video is for you. Welcome back to Patience Cooking, and you just need few ingredients for this recipe. So please, let's make this video together. Guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. This recipe is really easy and simple. I'm using 3 ingredients for this recipe. I'm going to be using nuts, dates fruit, and I'm also going to be using coconut for this recipe, guys. And it's very easy and simple, and all of them will help boost your libido. Okay, so please just follow the process and we'll be done in no time. Guys, with coconut, men suffering from erectile dysfunction can rely on coconut for easy erection because it helps facilitate blood flow and blood circulation and protect the blood vessel. So guys, yeah, it's time for us to blend our ingredients. So I actually use 1 coconut for this recipe, and then 200 grams of dates, 200 grams of nuts. Then we'll add 1 glass of milk, half glass of coconut water, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and we'll blend everything together until everything is well blended. So just drain the juice out of the chives with any shifter you have at home, or if you have a bag like this one, it will really help you for this recipe. Drain it out and your recipe will be ready in no time. So I'm going to be serving this with some ice blocks. And guys, this juice was really nice. It tastes really good, but make sure you don't drink this if you don't have your spouse at home. And it's really nice and it's good. If you try this at home, you will thank me later. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, like and share my videos, subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next video. Bye.